Hello. Need to access your home PC from anywhere or fix a friend's system remotely? Today, we are deploying a fully optimized TeamViewer workstation to lock in rock-solid remote desktop control for zero cost. Let's get your connection ready right now. Grab the verified setup package from the link below to get started. The moment you run it, the utility pulls down the secure remote access binaries directly onto your drive. Perfect. The core application files are integrated. Now, let the configuration screen handle the rest, mapping out your remote display drivers and unattended access paths in a flash. Let's fire up the control panel to view the connection dashboard. Check the dynamic ID and password fields right away to ensure your local station status updates with zero lag. Your remote desktop control hub is completely calibrated, verified, and ready for high-speed cross-platform access. Head over to our webpage right now to secure your files and start managing systems like a boss.